Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is hands down the best paw print tablecloth plastic on the market. The 2-pieces puppy paw print plastic tablecloth set by Tatuo. If you're planning a dog-themed birthday party or any event where you want to add a fun and festive puppy touch, this tablecloth is definitely worth checking out. First off, let's talk about design. These tablecloths come in a bright white color featuring adorable puppy paw prints scattered all over. The pattern is simple yet eye-catching, perfect for creating a playful and welcoming atmosphere whether you're decorating a kid's birthday party or a pet-themed celebration. The paw prints add just the right amount of charm without overwhelming the overall decor. Now, in terms of size, each tablecloth measures 71 by 54 inches, which fits most standard square or rectangular tables comfortably. The set includes 2 pieces, so you have enough to cover multiple tables or to have a backup ready. This size is ideal for indoor and outdoor events alike, giving you flexibility no matter where your party is held. Durability is a key factor for disposable party supplies, and this tablecloth excels here. Made from thick, sturdy plastic, it's designed to withstand accidental spills and minor tears. Unlike thin plastic covers that easily rip, these tablecloths hold up well throughout your event, whether you're dealing with food, drinks, or energetic little guests. This makes it a reliable choice that avoids the awkwardness of a torn table cover during your celebration. Cleanup after the party is a breeze with this product. Since it's made from plastic, any messes can be wiped off easily with a damp cloth, allowing you to reuse it if you choose. This not only saves you time but also money, since you're not stuck tossing it out after a single use. And beyond just covering tables, these tablecloths are versatile. You can also use them as wall decorations or even lay them on the floor to protect surfaces during messy activities. The product's all-season design means it's suitable for any time of the year, and the plastic material holds up well under different weather conditions when used outdoors. Just be cautious to keep it away from open flames or heat sources, as the manufacturer advises. What sets this tablecloth apart is how it complements other dog-themed party supplies. If you're creating a puppy party vibe, it pairs beautifully with matching banners, balloons, and party favors, making your party setup cohesive and memorable. It's perfect for children's parties, pet birthday celebrations, baby showers, and even casual garden or street parties where a fun dog theme is the focus. The tablecloth's rectangular shape with pleated corners gives it a neat fit on your table, and weighing just over 5 ounces per piece, it's lightweight and easy to transport. Whether you're hosting a small gathering or a bigger event, the ease of setup and removal is a big plus. To sum it up, the Tatuo Puppy Paw Print Plastic Tablecloth offers great design, practical size, durability, and versatility all in one affordable package. If you want to add a fun doggy touch to your party decor with minimal fuss and mess, this tablecloth is definitely one of the best options out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest product insights, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.